Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'll be talking about something super important. Your kidneys. These little organs work tirelessly to filter out waste and excess fluids from your blood. But did you know that some common foods can harm them? Let's dive into 9 foods you should avoid to keep your kidneys in top shape. First up, processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats are packed with preservatives and high amounts of sodium. High sodium intake can increase your blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Next, canned soups and packaged snacks. These products often contain hidden salts. Even though they're convenient, the high sodium content can be harmful. Opt for homemade versions instead. Number 3, soda. Both regular and diet sodas are bad news. They're high in sugar or artificial sweeteners, which can lead to kidney stones and worsen kidney function. Fourth, avoid eating too many avocados. Although they're a superfood, they're also high in potassium. Excess potassium can be tough on your kidneys. If you have kidney issues, monitor your intake. Fifth, dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are high in calcium and phosphorus. Both can build up in your kidneys over time, leading to potential kidney stones. Sixth, red meat. It's rich in protein, but too much can overwork your kidneys. Try incorporating plant-based proteins like beans and lentils into your diet. 7. Artificial sweeteners. Found in many diet products, they can be just as harmful as sugar. Studies suggest they may increase the risk of kidney disease. 8. Caffeine. Coffee and energy drinks can dehydrate you, making it harder for your kidneys to function properly. Stay hydrated and limit your caffeine intake. Finally, number 9. Alcohol. Excessive drinking can cause dehydration and put a lot of strain on your kidneys. Moderation is key. So there you have it. 9 foods to avoid to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Remember, balanced nutrition and moderation are crucial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Take care and see you next time.